Chicken. Alexa, fart. That fart. Yummy, yummy. Uh-oh, farts. That fart. That fart. That fart.
That's not very helpful work, is it, Simon?
Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Red chicken. Bop, bop. What's that? What's there? Right now, a-hole. Alexa. Alexa. Hey. Look at a poo. A poo. That's a poo. What's that so far? That. Wow, wow, wow. Alexa. Girlfriend, give me a kiss.
Sorry, I didn't
Ready?
find a group or device named fan.
Let's dance. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Alexa, what's a parrot?
I missed something. Can you say it again?
Harry. Alexa, what's a parrot?
The current weather is 74 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Throughout the day, you can expect more of the same, with a high of 74 degrees and a low of 55 degrees.
What's fresh water?
Do you want some fresh water? Of course you can, girlfriend. Here you go. You good?
What's that? Gobble, gobble.